Dear learners, viewers, and subscribers, welcome to Malayalam Learning English Center. Today, I will discuss how to make sentences, especially interrogative sentence. Now we are in sentence building class. So, welcome to today's class on sentence building. How to make sentences. I will discuss and today how to make interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences, how to make auxiliary verb, primary auxiliary, primary auxiliary, primary auxiliary verb, do, does, did, am, is, are, was, were, have, has, and had. Dear learners, these are the example of primary auxiliaries. By using these primary auxiliaries, we can make interrogative sentence. The structure auxiliary verb, auxiliary verb plus subject plus verb plus object plus extension. We can sense verb according to auxiliary verb. Some example: am I a learner? Am I a learner? আমি কি একজন শিক্ষার্থী? Was he a teacher? Teacher of Oxford? Was he a teacher of Oxford? সে কি অক্সফোর্ড বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ের একজন শিক্ষক ছিল? Had he done the work? সে কি কাজ করেছিল? সে কি কাজ করিয়াছিল? Thus, by using primary auxiliary verb, we can make or build interrogative sentences. Sometimes, generally, we use such type of verb before the subject, and such type of interrogative question we can answer yes or no. But sometimes we use WS word, so we have to follow some rules of WS words. How to make interrogative sentence by using WS word and auxiliary verbs. If we want to build interrogative sentence by the help of auxiliary verb, then at first we have to use WS word. WS word. WS word with. WSAP with. With WS word. WS word plus verb, auxiliary verb plus person, subject plus verb plus object plus interrogative sign. we may use interrogative sign. What? What? By using the word what, we can build interrogative sentence using WH word. WH means WH word. A means auxiliary verb. Then P person for subject, and then principal verb and object plus question mark. Example. Example. What? What do you want? How does he come here? How does he come here? Which which book book had she read? Which book had she read in the morning? In the morning. We can make the interrogative sentence by using WH word, such type of voice. Now we will learn about WH word. WH word. WH word. What? What? When? How? Who? Whom? Whose? Whose? Who is dash? Who is dash? Whose dash? Whose dash? These are WH word. What? Key. Key. When? কখন? How? কিভাবে? Who? কে? Who? কে? Whom? কাকে? কাকে বা কাদেরকে? কাদেরকে? কে বা কাহারা? Whose? কার বা কাদের? কাদের? Which dash? Whose dash? After which dash and whose dash, we have to use here a noun. কোনটি? কোনটি বা কার? Dear learners, by using the meaning of WH word, we can use such type WH word. If we ask any question by the help of WH word, we cannot give it answer by yes or no. Yes or no. যদি আমরা কাউকে WH ওয়ার্ডগুলো দিয়ে প্রশ্ন করি, তাহলে এর উত্তর yes বা no দিয়ে দেওয়া যাবে না। Now we can use also modal auxiliary for making interrogative sentence. Modal auxiliary can put, may, might, shall, should, will, would, must, Can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, and must. We can use such type of modal auxiliary to make interrogative sentences. Example: I can you help me? Help me. We can use তুমি কি আমাকে সাহায্য করতে পারো? We can use here WS word. How can you help me? Or when can you help me? In this way, dear learners, in this way we can use modal auxiliary to make interrogative sentences. Here we also cannot. How can you not help me? When can you when can you not help me? তুমি কি কখন তুমি আমাকে সাহায্য করতে পারো না? When কখন তুমি আমাকে সাহায্য করতে পারো না? How can you not help me? কিভাবে তুমি আমাকে সাহায্য করতে পারো না? Or can you not help me? তুমি কি আমাকে সাহায্য করতে পারো না? In this way, we can make a lot of interrogative sentences or making question sentences. Dear viewers, subscribers, and learners, thank you very much. I think in this way you can be able to make interrogative sentences that will help you to ask any question or write something about interrogative sentences. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video or online class, you can share, comments, subscribe, and like. Thanks to all for watching this video.